In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a custom font on Squarespace. First and foremost, let's talk about why custom fonts are so crucial for your Squarespace site. Fonts play a significant role in your site's design and can greatly impact how your brand comes across to visitors. With the right font, you can make your site look more professional, unique, and aligned with your brand identity. Squarespace offers a variety of fonts to choose from, but sometimes you might want something more unique or specific to your brand. That's where adding a custom font comes into play. To get started, the first thing you need to do is visit the Squarespace website. Once there, find and click on the login button. This is typically located in the top right corner of the home page. Clicking this will take you to the login page, where you have several options for signing in. For our purposes today, we're going to focus on signing in with Google. Click on the Continue with Google option. You'll be prompted to choose an account if you're logged into more than one. Select the account you'd like to use for Squarespace. It's worth noting that this step may require you to enter your password or confirm your identity, depending on your Google account's security settings. After successfully logging in, you'll be directed to your Squarespace account dashboard. Here, locate and click on the website you wish to edit. If you have multiple sites, make sure to select the correct one. Once your website dashboard is open, navigate to the Design section. Within Design, you're going to look for the Style option. This part is critical as it allows you to access the various design elements of your site, including fonts. In the Style section, find and click on the Fonts arrow. This action will unfold additional options related to font styling on your site. Squarespace categorizes its font settings to help you easily navigate through different areas like paragraphs, headings, and buttons. For today's purpose, we want to focus on altering the font style for headings. So click on Assign Styles. This will take you to another page where you can further customize font styles. Look for the Headings option and click on it. This setting controls the font styling for all headings on your site, including H1, H2, H3 tags, etc., crucial for both aesthetics and SEO. Now for the most exciting part, choosing your font. Click on the font option under Headings and browse through the list until you find the font that best suits your brand's personality. Squarespace offers a wide range of fonts, but if you're aiming for something truly unique, you might have already uploaded a custom font. If that's the case, locate your custom font from the list and select it. Lastly, and most importantly, don't forget to save your changes. Find the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom right corner of the page, and click on it. Voila! You've successfully changed the font for your headings. Changing fonts on your Squarespace site is that simple, yet it can have a profound impact on how your brand is perceived online. Remember, consistency in your font choices across all your brand touchpoints can enhance brand recognition and trust among your audience. Before wrapping up, here are a few additional tips to consider. First, always preview your font choices on your live site to ensure they render correctly and are legible across different devices. Second, keep accessibility in mind. Choose fonts that are easy to read and accessible for everyone, including people with disabilities. And that's all for today's tutorial on how to use a custom font on Squarespace. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to keep experimenting with different fonts until you find the perfect match for your brand. Happy designing!